We'll guide you through how to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in PowerPoint, and so you want to go and use hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are really useful because what you can do is go and add a hyperlink to something, and then people can go and click on it and get taken straight to it. It could go and be a web URL link, or it could be a different place in the PowerPoint. To get started in the PowerPoint, you need to go to where you want to do it. You could do this with an image, you could do it with text. So you need to go and highlight the text you want to do it with. So you can click, hold, and drag like so. When you've got it selected, you can then right click and you can find the option for link and click there. You'll go and get this pop up and it says insert hyperlink. So what we can do is we can go and use an existing file or web page, a place in this document, create a new document, or use an email address. I'm going to do an existing file or web page. So I've got that selected. Now we can go and enter in the address here. So if you know it already, you can go and type it in. Personally, I don't. So you can go and open a web browser and you can then go to the website and web page you want to do it with. So I want to go to GuideRealm. So I'm going to come to YouTube and I'll go and type in GuideRealm, click on the channel, and you can then go and grab the address at the top address bar. So we'll go and highlight it by clicking, holding, and dragging, right click and press copy. And then we can come and return to PowerPoint and come into address and right click and press paste. Then you can go and press OK like so. And as you can see, there it is. Now this has gone white. This is due to the text color being correct. So keep it highlighted and you can then come to the top to where it says font color and you can then change it to the color you want. So I could go make it blue just to make it stand out a bit. And there it is. And so now if somebody goes and holds control and they go and click on it, they then get taken to the link.